Hi, I'm Chris from evaluagent. So we know already how to add in manual line items to your scorecards, but let's take it a step further because we can capture process steps and we can also capture root cause reasons so that you can understand not just that a line item is failing, but why it's failing. So let's dive in. Okay, so let's see how we add the steps into our scorecard line item here. Right now we've got our customer verification line item and it's simply a case, pass fail, nothing more to it. Let's come back to our builder. Now what we're going to do is add in a series of steps. So the customer or the agent needs to confirm, let's say the name and the customer's date of birth in order to pass the line item. So we're going to come to the edit option and we're going to change the scoring template to a stepped scoring template. And all we do here is just add in those different steps. So we'll say customer name, and we can allow a non-applicable in there, but we'll say no for that. And we can also default the outcome to either a pass or a fail, but we'll leave that as blank as well. We'll add in the next step where we'll say customer date of birth. And we'll say no for that as well. And we'll save our changes. So this time when we preview the line item, when we click on the fail option or any of the options, those steps will drop down. So in order for us to properly verify the customer's identity, we need to pass the customer name and we need to pass the customer date of birth. If we miss one of those, then that will fail the overall line item. Okay, now this time, let's take a look at how we add in the root cause reasons. So we're back at our original line item. So this time we've got our basic line item with a pass fail. We're going to come back to our scorecard builder. And in terms of root causes, let's say we want to capture why the line item was failed. So I'm going to come to the edit option here and we're going to use the root cause section here under the fail score. So when this line item is failed, we're going to ask the evaluator to select from a list of root causes. So why did the agent fail this line item? So let's say no customer ID, we'll add a root cause in there, no customer name, no customer date of birth. And this will allow you to track the root cause reason for this line item's performance. Now, if we had a series of evaluations that were failing this particular line item, adding in the root cause will allow us to understand exactly the root cause of that failure, and then we can take action. And that's how you can utilize steps and root causes in your scorecards.